Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you exercise 2.5 9th standard NCERT 13th and 14th question together, because for both the questions you have to use identity 8th. So let me start with 13th question. If x plus y plus z equals to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. And remember here, if it is equals to 0, it means they are assumed that x plus y plus z equals to 0. You have to prove or show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz. And as we know that these three unlike terms we can't add, and here I have only one term. So with only these two possibilities we can't prove it. So you have to go for suitable identity. So find the identity where there are three terms with cubes, or the identity with 3x into y into z. So we have list of identities. So here first identity, here we have squares, here also squares, 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 squares. Here in these three identities we have cubes, but here there are only two terms with cubes. We want three terms with cubes, or else 3xyz. So we don't have 3xyz, here only we have 3xy. But if you find 8 identity, here they are given x cube plus y cube plus z cube, and even we have what, 3xyz on LHS side. If you send on that side, it will be plus 3xyz. So you are going to use here identity 8. So write down identity 8. So this is our identity 8, and suppose what they are going to show with this, if there are three terms and addition of three terms is equals to 0, then cube of those three terms, separate cube of those three terms, and its addition will be equals to 3 times x into y into z. Remember, if it is asked to find out sum of cubes of three terms, then instead of making its cube, just write 3 into x first term, second term and third term. So here we have this identity. Here they already given that if x plus y plus z equals to 0. So here we have x plus y plus z equals to 0. Then altogether it will be 0. 0 into anything is 0. So no need to calculate these all things. Just put here 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, as they are given the value of x plus y plus z equals to 0, only that value they are given. We'll put here 0. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this everything will be 0. So x cube, we want to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xyz plus z cube. If you send this minus 3xyz, that's it will be what? 0 into this is 0. 0 plus this. 0 plus anything is same number. So you will get what? Plus 3xyz. That is our proof. So here you can take this as LHS and this is RHS. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. It is proved. So remember, whenever cube of three numbers and its addition is asked, so just don't go on making their cubes. If there are single digit number, you can make it very easily. If there are more than single digit, like double digit, triple digit and more than that, just check whether x plus y plus z is equals to 0. If it is so, just sum of the cubes of three numbers will be what? 3 into first term, second term or third term. So now we'll move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is, without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. So as I told you, whenever sum of cubes of three terms is given, just go on, just don't go on doing by Eugen method, that is minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12. Just check whether here x plus y plus z means what? X is first term, second term, third term here. So if its sum is 0, then its cube will be equals to what? first number cube, second number cube, third number cube will be what? Its cube will be 3 times x into y into z. So let us check here. So check whether x plus y plus z equals to 0 or not. So you have to identify what is x here. So x is minus 12, y is 7 and z is 5. So put here x is minus 12 plus y is 7 plus z is 5. So you have to check this. So this is equals to what? Minus 12. These two are 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So here you can see that x plus y plus z equals to 0. Whenever x plus y plus z equals to 0, sum of their cubes will be 3x, y, z. So therefore sum of its cubes. So minus 12 cube, x cube, isn't it? Then 7 cube, you can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube will equals to 3xy z. So plus 5 cube is nothing but 3 into x is minus 12 into y is 7 into 5. So multiply these 4 numbers. So altogether you will get what? Minus 1260. You calculate 12 3s are, then 7 5s are, and finally you have to calculate. So you will get what? Minus 1260. Similarly we will find second. So second example in question number 14, 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. So the question is given without actually calculating the cubes. You can calculate by actual multiplication the 28 thrice, minus 15 thrice, and minus 13 3. But they said that you should not calculate by usual method. So just check whether x plus y plus z equals to 0 or not. So let us take x is 28, y is minus 15 and z is minus 13, and check x plus y plus z equals to 0 or not. So x is 28 plus y is minus 15 plus z is minus 13. So this is what? 28 and minus 15 minus 38, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 3 8, 1 plus 1 2, and here it will be what? Plus minus will be minus, and finally sign will be minus, sign a bigger digit. So 28 minus 20 is 0. Therefore x plus y plus z equals to 0. Therefore we can use the identity. Here we have whenever x plus y plus z equals to 0, so sum of cubes will be 3 into x plus x into y into z. Therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube will be equals to what? Value of this is equals to sum of cubes will be 3 into x into y into z. So here x is 28 cube plus y is minus 15 cube plus z is minus 13 its cube. So sum of these three cubes is just equals to 3 into x is 28, y is minus 15 and z is minus 13. So here pair these 4 and find the multiplication of these two. Finally you will get this as 16380, and about the signs, plus is plus, this multiplication will be minus will be plus, so finally you will get what? Plus sign.